Netflix and Tesla put a drag on the stock market on Thursday after reporting mixed news on earnings. Let's bring in Nick Santiago, the CEO of In the Money Stocks. Hello to you, Nick. And what do you think about these plays?
Well, they're both severely overbought. So, going into earnings, both companies are facing headwinds because it's kind of like buy the rumor, sell the news. They've had amazing runs. They've been two of the outperformers of the market really this year. It's very, very difficult to expect them to go a lot higher without some kind of a pullback or retrenchment. That's just the nature of the markets. When you run up that much into earnings, you're just going to get natural selling on the news. As for the numbers, Ange, I'm more of a technical trader than I am a fundamental trader. In fact, I couldn't even tell you what the numbers are, but just knowing the market the way I do, I don't look for upside in those names right away. I think they have to pull back a little bit. They have to reassert themselves, and then potentially there could be more upside. But they've had big run-ups, and that's normally what we see. Buy the rumor, sell the news.
Well, the same could be said about the stock market, Nick. It's had a magnificent run.
Absolutely, and I think you want to be careful this earnings season. Not so much as we start, but as we get into the latter part of the earnings season, I think you got to be really careful because, like you just said, everything has had a big run, especially technology. Technology showing lots of signs of fatigue here. I mean, it's gone to the moon. The NASDAQ is up, 35, 37% this year. It's just been an incredible run. And, I think we're going to see a lot more buy the rumor, sell the news as we go forward.
What's your trade of the day?
Ange, I'm starting to get defensive now, and I like companies like Colgate. So Colgate reports earnings next week. I never trade before the earnings announcement. I think we may get a little bit of a pullback there in that name, but you get it around $70 to $71. Load up the boat on Colgate. It's very, very solid, pays a dividend, and as people start to get a little bit more concerned about the valuations of this market, they're going to go into stocks like that. I will be. I've already gotten into Kraft Heinz here, ticker symbol KHC, and that's already performing. So I like Colgate. CL is my play.
Load up the boat. I've never heard you say that on our show.
Well, every once in a while, that's what they give you, these opportunities, and you have to take it.
We will see what happens. Trade with care. Thank you, Nick.
Thank you for having me, Ange.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.